there are 3 ways to improve cost and maintenance. So your quest here is we need to improve equipment reliability. So what are some common company goals? Every organization wants this, if you ask them. They want to reduce cost, they want to increase reliability. Every manager is not going to say, I don't want this. Maybe in a startup you focus on reliability. In a more mature business, your focus may be more on cost control, but they go closely together, so you cannot just do one or another. How much reliability do we want? What are we improving? Do you want to increase uptime? When will it be improved? How many resources and what is the budget? That has to be documented and clear to the organization before you start. So what cost do we want to decrease? We want to stay competitive in the market. So if you think about this, maintenance cost, well, only optimized maintenance cost is going to make sense. Is it maintenance cost per unit? We don't want to focus just on maintenance cost. Is it total cost per unit? Well, that's what's going to give us or become competitive on the market. And total cost, well, that kind of goes with the unit cost. So that's important that we understand that we try to decrease total cost per unit, not sub-optimize just maintenance cost. So there are 3 ways we can reduce cost. The number 1 here is, or option, is to cut costs. We defer maintenance, and that's usually how we all get in trouble, at least if you have a long-term business. The step 2 here, or option 2, reduce the need for maintenance prevention. So we can clean, we can lubricate, we can balance, align, etc. And that actually is going to make components and equipment last longer. So we avoid actually unnecessary breakdowns and maintenance. Option 3 here is to efficiently execute maintenance or the remaining maintenance. So we want to inspect, we want to do condition monitoring, we want to prioritize any failure that we find, we want to plan and schedule, we want to actually correct any failure. And if possible, if we have repetitive failures, we want to analyze and improve so we can avoid those same failures in the future. So how are we going to develop the basis for improving reliability? Well, step 1 is we need to understand the current situation. We need to do an assessment versus best practices in reliability maintenance. Basically, what is the opportunity? We need to build a plan to improve. That's step 2. That should have specific actions and goals, and it requires support by the management team. Step 3 is implement the plan, follow up on the progress, measure how much reliability is improving over time. And there is a step 4, and that's going back and doing another assessment or update our plan and continuously improving.